We're going to make a thermostat. Now, a thermostat uses a bimetallic strip, meaning that it's a piece of material that's got one type of metal on one side and one type of metal on the other. Now, because those tend to be very difficult to make as well as difficult to find and expensive once you do find them, we can substitute a bubblegum wrapper for a bimetallic strip. Now, these are also getting harder to find nowadays, so what you're going to need is a bubblegum wrapper that's metal on one side and paper on the other. Now, if you happen to have a large one like I do, simply cut off a piece about 1 inch wide. That's all you're going to need. And then take some tape and tape your bubblegum wrapper onto an index card. Okay, just like that. And you want to make it as straight as you can. Now, here's the idea. You're going to place this in the freezer. What you're going to find is the bubblegum wrapper will actually start to bend, not just lean, but the wrapper itself is going to bend one direction. And when you take it out and put it in a warm spot, say in the warm spot like a top of a bookshelf on the upstairs floor, someplace that's really warm, or even on top of the dryer while it's going, you're going to notice it's going to start to flex the other way. This is what the thermostat looks like after being in my freezer for about 2 hours. Notice how curled it is. Now, the white paper is on the outside. That tells me that the inside contracted faster than the outside, meaning that there was more pull on the inside surface. So that tells me that aluminum is going to be shorter than paper when you freeze it at 0 degrees Celsius. So you can see how my bimetallic strip changes shape. So I would expect also the opposite to happen when I put it on top of a dryer. If I can kind of warm it up with my fingers and straighten it out. I would try it, but my guess is on a dryer it's going to start to bend the other way. So what's going on? Basically, you have two different materials that are stuck together. In this case, it's paper and aluminum foil. And you're going to find that the aluminum foil is going to expand at a different rate from the paper. Your job is to figure out, does it expand faster or slower? You'll know it expands faster if you put this on the dryer and it curves this way. Now, before things went digital, this is how people would heat their homes. There was a bimetallic strip inside their controls for the house heat. And this would regulate how and when to turn the heat on and off. So this is at the heart of a thermostat. Basically, when it gets warm enough, it starts to bend and it would click the heat off, and then when it got cool enough it would straighten out and that would click the heat back on. So this is something that people used to use before things went digital. You can make your own and see the effects of a bimetallic strip just using a piece of bubblegum wrapper. Go ahead and give that a try.